guys, my name is Caleb. Welcome to my Cars channel. So first, we got this plastic. So look guys, don't stop it, okay?
What's that?
When I say bye-bye guys, just turn off, okay?
Okay, what's that?
A bus, okay? It's a plastic bus. Done? Next car.
Is that first to impress? Can I have a turn, please? No.
Next, I have this
No way, I
one.
have my phone right now.
Honda.
It's not my problem. Sorry.
A racing car, but it's black
Okay,
down.
I have this Rolex toy. I'm not gonna use it anyway, so.
Guys, it's still nice.
Thank you. Okay.
Ako na lang maglalapit. Huwag mo nang iyan, ilapit.
Go.
No, I'm zooming it from the
Wait,
camera.
I gotta jail my
Okay,
Amazon.
this is, we got your
No, wait,
next
I don't
car.
have that one. I want it.
I have this,
And I got a free item. I got a
this
phone.
car.
Come on, please. I don't want you to your yes. Nah, I'm not.
Mercedes
Sorry.
Benz.
Come on.
So this is kinda more.
Is that dress to impress? Can I have a turn, please? No,
That's the video, so this is
This is the kind of prank you can pull
This
on your
look like a
girlfriend.
plastic, but is this plastic, Ate Kim?
No.
I don't know.
Line up to
The next one.
Hey, Dad, can I buy the movie Wicked?
Well, later, later. Okay. Next, I forgot this. Mercedes Benz.
This Jameson.
It's another
She
plastic.
says it's okay. Can I get it?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Look.
Okay. Hey, Mom, can I buy the movie Wicked? Did you ask your dad? He said I can get it as long as you say it's okay. Oh, well, I guess if you said it's okay, then it's okay.
This
Hey, Mom said she's cool with it if you're cool.
orange sheep.
Well, I guess you can get
It
it.
looks like at the Philippines. This orange sheep. So this is a plastic.
Got some skills.
Ooh, Wicked. Hey, Dad, can I buy the movie Wicked?
The other one is
Little girl is hiding something in her backpack.
this. I forgot this
You see
car.
what's inside.
Mr. DIY?
So, yes. So that's a delivery van, but I forgot it. Here it opens to the guys.
Can I do something?
Wow.
There's nothing there.
It
So what is it,
opens.
honey?
Look,
Gotta
it's
stop at
it's
the
a
stop
plastic.
sign. The stop sign? That's like a mile away.
That's the
That's still okay.
The other one is
You know what? The rest of the way, I walk home.
so tiny.
Watch out. Guys,
Guys, it's so very tiny. But look, it's still.
This dog has a small
Wait, I have more cars outside. Don't stop the video.